There's one. He ate it on the fall. Oh, look at that jump. I was waiting for it to sink, and then all of a sudden I feel it swimming away from me. So that guy actually ate it on the fall, but let's get him in. Can I flip this guy? Probably. All right, there we go. First fish of the day. Look at that, he choked it on the fall. Always hooks out. Check it out, guys. Oh shoot. Well, quick release. Well, I stopped recording for a sec. I decided to throw a Ned rig for a bit, and first cast I got a bite. Another decent largemouth. So I can't flip this guy because I'm using finesse tackle, but there he is. Beauty. One last look. All right, let's get him back. Later, buddy. Oh, that's a pike. Oh no, he came off. No. What? Oh, you guys saw that. He came out of the water to hit. He might be still there. He might still be there. He might still be there. Oh my God, he came out of the water to hit that thing. All right, I kind of tilted the camera down a little bit, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm literally just like right in front of me, just dropping my bait in. And there's just this pack of bluegill just on it. There's some big ones in there that the bigger ones here should be able to eat it and get the hook. There's one. That's a nice bluegill. Wow. Jeez. Actually pulled a little bit of drag. What the heck, buddy? That's a big bluegill. Come here, bud. Take a look, guys. Check it out. That is a big bluegill. My goodness. Barely fits in my hand. He is 8.5 inches. Check that out. Wow, 8.5 inch bluegill. He's big enough to lip, actually. Check that out, guys. That is a big bluegill. Anyways, let's get him back. He's been out of the water for like 30 seconds. Later, bud. Oh, there is a fish there. I just saw something follow it. It's pretty small though. Ooh, that was a bite. Oh, he ripped off a claw. I think that was a rock bass. I think. That was a decent rock bass, yeah. Oh, come on, dude. He followed it all the way out, smacked it. I did not get a hook in him. Oh, come on. Man, what is this thing's problem? Why can't it get the hook? Is my bait too big? Like, this guy's hit it like every cast. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see this fish. He's literally right in front of me, eating the bait on every cast. Literally swimming out, open water, just to eat this thing. Oh, there's more than one. There's like 2 rock bass back there. There we go. That's a nice rock bass. It's a very nice rock bass. For this lake, at least. Let's get him up here. Check it out, guys. That is a very, very nice rock bass. 10 to 11 inch rock bass. Let's get him back. Oh yeah. Right back. Let's see if I can catch his friend. All right, I'm back where I caught that little rock bass earlier. Well, he wasn't too little, but try to catch his buddy. The other little rock bass that was in the area. There it is. First cast. Yeah, this one's not even close to as big as the other one, but still a decent little rock bass for this lake. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. Top of the mouth. He bit me. Pretty little guy. Probably like a 9 or 10 inch rock bass. All right. Later, bud. Oh, something ate it on the fall. Might be a pike. This thing is fighting weird. I was watching my line on the fall and it just started swimming away from me. That's pretty funny. Let's see. Hopefully we get to see what it is. If it's a pike, it might just bite me off. It's gonna jump. Or not. Stay down. Oh, it's a bass. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a chunky boy. He ate it on the fall. Let's get him up here. Oh, that's a nice bass. Holy crap. Corner of the mouth. Black and blue. Guys, look at this. All day. Yeah, that 13 fishing ninja craw. He ate it on the fall, guys. Look at that fish. What a beauty. All right, let's get a nice release on this guy. He gave a good fight. Yeah, he was ready to go. I'm kind of just fishing this little minnow like a Senko right now. Not sure if it'll work. I'm just letting it sink. There's a little bass right there swimming by it. Wonder if I'll notice and smoke it. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is a big bass. I have ultralight tackle. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Oh man, that's like a 3-pounder. He just came out of nowhere and ate it. How the hell am I gonna land this guy? Don't go in the cover, don't go in the cover, don't go in the cover. Don't go in there, don't go in there. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. It's like a 2 or 3-pounder. That might be a 3-pounder, guys. Oh, that's bigger than 3. Oh man. How am I gonna land this fish? Is there another one with him? There's another bass with him that's just as big. Wow. That's insane, guys. On the ultralight with like an improvised rig with the panfish hook. And there's another big one with him. Wow. How tight's my drag? It's not that tight. Wow. Look at this guy. I can't even like touch the line. He'll just come right off. All right, come here, buddy. Try not to fall in here. Get over here. Oh, I can't reach him with my hands. Oh, no, 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 no. Please don't run out of SD card room. Okay, I got 5 minutes of footage. This should be enough. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come here. Open up. Oh, let's go. Woo! On ultralight tackle, guys. Do you see this? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's got to be like a... That's got to be a 4-pounder. Guys, do you see this? Ultralight rod, 4-pound test line. Give you guys a good look at this guy. Check that out, guys. That is a nice bass. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Man, I wasn't even expecting to catch anything. I was just screwing around. All right. And he's off. Wow, what a beautiful fish.